Welcome to 23 Bondeson Drive in Parkhurst. This 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, high-set home is set on a 700 square meter flat, immaculately maintained block. I am Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents. Let's have a look. With a modern kitchen and hardwood floors throughout, this property is move-in ready. And under the house, we have a great bonus for you. This legal height area is ideal to convert into an extra living space, a granny flat, or an office. If you can see potential in this high-set home in the family-orientated suburb of Parkhurst, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts from McGrath Estate Agents, for more information.